and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can delete, get rid of or remove a page in Microsoft Word. So you can see here I've got this demonstration document and we've got a few gaps here. This page here, perhaps we want to get rid of that completely, and we've got a blank area here and another blank page here. So I'm going to show you how you can use several techniques to understand what's going on in your document, but also to understand how you can get rid of these spaces and pages. So first of all, we need to go up to the Home tab, and then we need to go across to this tool here, which is Hide and Show Formatting Marks. If I click on there and zoom in, you can see we've got a number of different marks on our document. And these are the little blue marks, which are the return keys or the enter keys. And we've got other marks here that show some tab keys and some space keys as well, which is just the dots between the characters. Now, if we go to the top of our document and work down, we've got here, we've got a page break, which means we've got this extra space at the bottom here. So that page break means that our next set of text will go to this area here. But if we scroll down here, we might want to get rid of this page completely. So you can click at the top, pop your cursor at the top here, and hit your Shift key and click at the bottom. That's selected your entire page. Then press the Delete key, and you can see we've got rid of the text, but we haven't got rid of the page. You can see we've still got this blank page here. And so we've also got 2 consecutive page breaks. Now the quickest and easiest way to get rid of your page break is to click, drag across your page break and press delete. As you can see, that's now got rid of that page, but we haven't got rid of this page break here. So once again, we can just click across it and press delete. Now you can see also here we've got some return keys. Now if we don't want this space at the bottom and we want this text here to go up onto this page here, we can pop our cursor here, press the delete key, and as we press delete we can bring up that text onto the next page. Then moving down our document, we can see we've got another blank page here, and yet again we've got another page break. Now sometimes you'll find you have this scenario here, which is just a series of return marks. If you have these return marks, then even if you get rid of this page break, so let's just get rid of that page break as we did before, that page still remains. And that's because effectively with all these return keys or enter key marks, you've got other things going on in this page. It's like you've got text or paragraphs on this page. So yet again, you need to get rid of this. You can either select it all by just clicking and dragging across them all, pressing delete. Alternatively, you can click at the top here, press the Shift key, delete at the bottom, and again, press delete. We still haven't got rid of the page, so just keep pressing delete until that final page disappears. As you can see, we've now got rid of all of those spare pages just because we could see what's going on. Now occasionally you might have this scenario here. So if we just zoom in, you can see there's some funny marks here. Now often when you see things like this, it is cause for concern because there is actually something there. Now if I click on this return key, let's press the return key once, and now you can see what's being revealed. Because it was on the end here, it was just serving itself to the margin, and then if we press the return key, you can now see clearly that you have a section break. Now if I click and drag across here, again we can just delete that, and once again that will remove that section break and you will delete that page. Now sometimes the problem is that if there is a section break, sometimes you may not be able to click and drag across it. If I click at this side and drag across, you can see nothing's happening. If you hit your Command or Control key and drag across it, then it will highlight it, and once again just press the delete key and that page will be removed. Again, we've got a final page here, so once again we'll just put our cursor against that return key and press delete, and it will remove that final page, and you'll be left with just the 3 pages of your document. Then go up to the Home tab, then you can just click on the Formatting Marks tool and it will take out all of those formatting marks. and you'll clearly be able to see if there's any other gaps or issues in your document. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.